Hi, my name is Tara Taylor, and I think the most important thing that I've learned in teaching so far is every student learns different. Every student is interested in something different than another student. They learn different because one student may like math better than they like reading, and there needs to be a way to put their interests all together so that they are focused and motivated and stimulated by that lesson and topic. A way to do that is Universal Design for Learning, and I made a mural for Universal Design of Learning, and in my mural has all the different aspects of Universal Design. Words like planning, categorizing, stimulate, interest, excited, motivated, gathering facts, identifying, differentiate, which is the biggest one for me in Universal Design because we're trying to find ways to interest our kids in the lesson by finding ways that they can learn. Why, what, and how, because a lot of students need to know why they're doing this lesson, what it's going to pertain of, and how it's going to lead them into their next learning and how they're going to learn it. Consistent, it was another word that stood out to me because some students need consistency to continue to learn in the best way that they can. Strategic strategies, how the student learns the best, what materials, like is it iPads that interest them, technology, is it writing in a book, or is it just bookwork reading altogether? Do they like math? Do they like writing their questions on the board? Do they like projects? Do they like group work? It's just understanding your students and what works best for each of them. But it is all huge and jumbled up with a bunch of different letters because Universal Design can mean so many different things. But it's important for teachers to know what it means for their students.